After the age of 50, our bodies go through big changes. Our metabolism slows down, our muscle mass naturally decreases, and sometimes, despite eating healthy, we still find ourselves gaining stubborn belly fat, feeling tired, or struggling with aches and pains. But here's the truth. No one tells us. Some common foods that seem harmless, even the ones we've eaten for years, can silently damage our bodies, cause inflammation, and make it harder to lose weight. The good news? If we swap these problem foods for healthier, natural options, we can burn more fat, heal inflammation, and give our bodies the fuel they truly need. In this video, you'll discover 7 powerful, fat-burning foods that not only taste amazing but also help your body heal, especially as we age. The hidden, healthy foods that might actually be harming your metabolism and joints without you even realizing it. Simple, delicious swaps you can start today to boost your energy, calm inflammation, and feel lighter in your own skin. By the end, you'll walk away with a clear, no-stress plan that works with your body, not against it, so you can feel your best at any age. Before we dive in, remember this. You don't need to follow extreme diets. You don't have to give up your favorite meals. You simply need to know which foods to ease up on and which ones to enjoy more often. Think of it as upgrading your fuel, because after 55, our bodies deserve premium care, the kind that keeps us energized, mobile, and feeling our absolute best every single day. Let's kick things off with the first silent body damager. It's a food most people eat almost every single morning, convinced it's a healthy choice. But here's the truth. This breakfast staple can spike your blood sugar, stall your metabolism, and make it harder for stubborn belly fat to go away. In just a moment, we'll reveal exactly what it is, why it's secretly harmful, and the delicious swap that can actually help your body burn fat instead. Food number 2, fatty fish. Now for the second food on our list, one you might already love, and if not, it's worth adding to your plate. That food is fatty fish. Think salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats proven to reduce inflammation, support brain health, and improve heart rhythm. Studies show omega-3s can even help your body burn fat more efficiently by improving insulin sensitivity and boosting metabolism. Bonus for older adults, omega-3s also reduce joint stiffness and support memory. Many seniors notice they feel more mentally sharp and physically active after adding fatty fish to their weekly routine. How to eat it? Aim for 2 servings per week. Bake, grill, or make a light fish soup, and pair with vegetables for a complete healing meal. What to avoid instead? Processed meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and many deli cuts. They're loaded with sodium, nitrates, and unhealthy fats, which can silently damage blood vessels, increase inflammation, and raise your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Simple swap. Replace at least 1 or 2 processed meat meals each week with fatty fish. Your heart, joints, brain, and waistline will thank you. Food number 3, leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are some of the most powerful healing foods you can eat. They're loaded with fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which help fight inflammation, strengthen bones, and keep blood sugar levels steady. The fiber in leafy greens supports healthy digestion and slows sugar absorption, helping prevent the post-meal energy crashes that become more common with age. This is key for protecting against diabetes and stubborn belly fat. Fat-burning bonus. Leafy greens are low in calories but rich in nutrients, so they fill you up jaws without adding extra pounds. Plus, the body uses more energy digesting fiber-rich foods, giving your metabolism a small but meaningful boost. What to skip instead? Refined white bread and processed carbs have had their nutrients and fiber stripped away, leading to blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, and increased fat storage. They offer little more than empty calories. Better choice. Swap white bread for whole grain bread or use leafy greens as wraps in place of bread. It's a small shift that can deliver big health benefits. Food number 4, green tea. Next up is green tea, a calming, refreshing drink with powerful health benefits, especially after age 55. Green tea is rich in natural compounds called catechins, which work in 2 key ways. They help your body burn fat more effectively, particularly the deep belly fat linked to higher risks of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. They act as strong antioxidants, helping your body repair daily cell damage, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. In one 12-week study, participants who drank green tea daily lost measurable fat around their waist without changing their diet. Bonus: green tea is gentler on the stomach than coffee or some stronger teas, making it a great choice for seniors. If you're sensitive to caffeine, decaf green tea still provides many of the same benefits. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day to keep your metabolism active and your body protected. Consistency is the secret. Food number 5, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, especially for fat burning and healing. Just 2 tablespoons give you nearly 10 grams of fiber, which swells in your stomach when combined with water. This keeps you feeling full for hours, helping prevent overeating. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation in the joints and heart, and they provide plant-based protein to help preserve muscle mass as we age. The best part? Chia seeds are effortless to include in your diet. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, blend into smoothies, or make an overnight chia pudding. Research shows that chia seeds can help control blood sugar, support digestion, and encourage fat burning without extreme diets or supplements. A small scoop each day can bring big benefits. Food number 6, dark chocolate. We have a treat you might not expect: dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. The right kind of chocolate can actually help with fat loss and healing. Dark chocolate, especially with 70% cocoa or higher, is rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. It can help lower stress hormones like cortisol, which is important because high stress can lead to stubborn belly fat. It's also been shown to help control appetite, making you less likely to overeat. Plus, let's be honest, it satisfies that sweet tooth without the sugar crash of regular sweets. The key is moderation. Just a small square or 2 a day is enough to enjoy the benefits without adding too many calories. So, next time you're craving dessert, skip the candy bar and reach for a piece of rich, dark chocolate. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If today's tips were helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss more health tips. And remember, your best years are still ahead. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.